Alright. Got to get a people. Give the people what they want. Bass. Right here. Doing it 1.5 arms. Trying to make it happen. Okay? We're talking about finding intercepts by substituting 0. Finding intercepts by substituting 0. Just want to make sure that we're all in the picture right there. Okay? Let me make sure again. Make sure we're looking good, looking great. All right, it's been a long time. So, first, remember, y-intercepts always have an x value of 0. Okay? So for example, if I have an xy axis, I have this line, right, that goes through it. Here's y, here's x. 1, 2. That y-intercept is on 3. So it's this point right here. Well, this is the point where x is 0 and y is 3. There's my intercept. That point right there is the point 0, 3. If I drew a different line, a different intercept, say this y-intercept is right there, that will be the point where x is still 0, but now y, is only 1, right? So y-intercepts always have an x value of 0. And x-intercepts always have a y value of 0. For the same reason, okay? So I'm not going to draw that again, but for the same reason, if I have an x-intercept, like right here, and let's say we got 1, 2, 3, right? And here's the x-intercept where it crosses the x-axis. This is the point x is 3 and y is 0, right? X-intercepts have to have y values of 0. So, taking that information, if I ask you put the following equation into intercept form. Let's say I ask you that, right? Right? First thing I do is think. What is intercept form? Right? And my answer to what is intercept form is it says, well, x over some number plus y over some other number equals 1, right? That's intercept form, right? And I know A and B stand for the x and the y intercepts, okay? So really, to put an equation into this form, I just got to figure out the x and y intercepts of the equation. So here's the equation that I'm going to put in the intercept form. 4x minus 6y equals 12. I'm going to put that equation in the intercept form. So I already know I'm going to say x over something plus y over something equals 1. I need to figure out what these somethings are. So I'm going to figure out the x-intercept. Let me use the information that I just had. Well, what do we know about an x-intercept? Hopefully you're saying to find the x-intercept, y is always 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to erase this part now. So I'm thinking, well, to find the x-intercept, what was it, 4x plus 6y equals 12. To find the x-intercept, what I'm going to plug in for is 4x plus 6 times 0 equals 12. This will give me the x-intercept. Okay? Plug in 0. So this becomes 4x. 6 times 0 is 0. So 4x plus 0 equals 12. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. The x-intercept is 3. Right? So I found the x-intercept. And so already I know, oh, the x-intercept is 3, so in intercept form must be x over 3. Now let me find the y-intercept. Okay? So, if I want to find the y-intercept, I plug in 0 for x. Right? This will give me the y-intercept. Right? 4 times 0 is 0. I end up with 6y equals 12. Divide by 6, divide by 6. Y equals 2. So, the y-intercept is 2. So, here's intercept form. Here's this equation in intercept form. And if I ask you specifically, what are the intercepts? Well, the x-intercept equals 3. The y-intercept equals 2. Alright? That's it. We're done. See you later.